This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what was Mexico before it was Mexico. Long before its modern name, the land we now call Mexico was a vibrant tapestry of ancient civilizations. This region, known as Mesoamerica, was home to diverse cultures that flourished for thousands of years. They developed complex societies, unique belief systems, and remarkable innovations, laying the groundwork for the rich heritage that defines Mexico today. Among the earliest were the Olmec, often called the mother culture of Mesoamerica, known for their colossal head sculptures. Later, the Maya developed advanced writing, mathematics, and astronomical calendars, building impressive city-states. Teotihuacan emerged as a dominant urban center, featuring monumental pyramids and a vast trade network that influenced much of the region. The Mexica people, later known as the Aztecs, established their magnificent city of Tenochtitlan on an island. They formed the powerful Triple Alliance, expanding their influence across a vast empire. Aztec society was highly organized, with intricate religious practices, impressive art, and a sophisticated understanding of their world. Their legacy remains a significant part of the region's history. The profound impact of these indigenous cultures continues to shape modern Mexican identity. Many ancient traditions, languages, and culinary practices persist, enriching the nation's vibrant heritage. For more great deals and the link to those leak-proof containers, check the description below. Understanding this deep history helps us appreciate the incredible resilience and diversity of Mexico's people.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.